nyinga Simfros Okinda. Kawachako ni Janon bajet mag piny owacho Margaret Nyakang'o owachoni chenro mag dongruok e pacho ka othirno ni mar counties oketo maino mar tiyo gi thoth omenda e chulo osara. Koloso odiochieng' mar ariyo romo mar twak e weche osara, Nyakang'o medo ni chudo mambalang' jotije manyawawa kod chulo joma ok ti makare gin moko kuom gigo mamedo pek e aguch omenda.
The technological integration. And this involves integrating systems like the IFMIS that we have right now with the IPPD. Why do we have them as standalone systems? This would solve the wage bill accuracy issue. I do know that currently we have been insisting that all the employees to be put up on the IPPD. The next thing would be to connect this to IFMIS, and then we should be in a position now to get our reconciliations right. Then manual payroll systems introduce computational errors, and we know that. We also know that ghost workers come in either by design or default. We are insisting that new employees on IPPD be all registered and that the process be quickened.
Kawadhi Jimeni Director Machon Mar National Museum